Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I thought of doing today a tutorial on how to remove gel nail polish. We are all used to using aluminum foil to remove the gel nail polish. However, the downside of using the aluminum foil is that when we put the acetone on the cotton and we put it inside that aluminum foil, it's gonna get everywhere. It's not just getting on the nail itself, it's getting on the skin around the nail as well as the fingerprints, and it's very bad to damage our fingerprints. So I really recommend using these clips. They're very easy to use, and when you place that cotton inside them and you clip them on your fingers, the acetone is not going to be moving around in these clips. It's going to remain on that specific area where you're trying to remove the gel nail polish. Besides the fact that it's a very practical way to remove the gel polish, it's also a way to avoid damaging our fingerprints even more. Of course, using acetone is not the best thing for our nails. However, to avoid further damage, it's best to use the clips rather than using the aluminum foil where the acetone is going to get everywhere on our fingers. Once you clip these clips for removing gel polish, you turn your hands around and you set them upside down. You keep them like this for 15 minutes, and you can just try to remove one clip, and if you feel that it needs more time, you can keep it for a longer time. However, if you feel that it's not as effective, you can put a little bit more acetone on it, but I would say just leave it for a little bit more because the nail polish is not very thin, so it's gonna be hard to remove it just by placing that cotton on it for 15 minutes. We'll need to use anyway a wooden cuticle pusher so that we can scrape that gel nail polish off of the nail more gently than using a metal one, because metal is gonna be much stronger and it's gonna probably remove some layer of the nail itself, which is sometimes unavoidable. It's safer to use wooden cuticle pusher rather than the metal one. Even after we use the cuticle pusher, we still feel that there are some remaining parts of the gel nail polish, especially the transparent coat that they place initially on the nail. So in order to remove that, we need to use some file. It's recommended to use the thin paper file rather than the metal one, again because it's less damaging for the nail. I placed some drops of Aveda composition oil. Not only does it feel amazing on the nails, but it's very nutritious and it doesn't have very damaging chemicals like other products. I really recommend using Aveda. It feels so good when my nails can breathe again. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and it inspired you in some way. And I look forward to the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like watching more of these videos, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up.